Hello, everybody. Welcome. And as we're going to go through our units, so this is the welcome page that you're going to see on the home page. And this is going to be our first course for figurative language. So I hope you enjoy yourself. We're going to be learning about different things. We're going to be learning about different things. We're going to talk about different forms of figurative language imagery, okay? Personification, idioms. Where have you seen this? Poetry, mystery, narratives. Helps make our writing more colorful. But before we can put it in our writing, we got to know what it does with reading. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay? So once again, this is the first page you're going to see once you log into the Canvas course. So if you got here, guys, you did a good job. Next, you're going to go to where it says syllabus. You can actually kind of follow this in order. So this is the syllabus page. It contains some vital information. I want you to just kind of click this syllabus link and I'm going to go through it with you. You're going to learn everything you need to know about this course from the syllabus. There are no surprises. There are no pop-ups. My office hours are here. My email is in here. What happens if I submit a paper late, Miss Barrett? The due dates are in here, okay? How to contact IT if you have a question. All that is in here, guys, all right? This tells you what you're going to learn about. Your parents can even read this. I even have a few screenshots and screen grabs if you want to see, hey, I'm on the right page. I can come here and look and see am I on the right page. I would say the most important thing about the syllabus is that you will do a discussion for every module. You will do a final quiz. Now, at the weekly activities, you will only choose 2 weekly activities, all right? That will either be a mini quiz, a journal, or a flip grid activity. See, there's those dates in there. This is also your rubric for your flip grid. Remember, flip grids can only be done with a partner. If you have special needs and requirements, here are my tips for success. Here are your objectives. Everything is in this syllabus, okay? When I'm telling you guys, if I were you, I would just skim and scan the syllabus like 2 or 3 times and then read it closely with my parents just to have a thorough understanding. Here are your discussions. I have the due dates on them as well. It's only 4 discussion posts. Now, here's what you want to remember. For every discussion post you do, you got to reply to 2 peers, all right? All right, so let's get started on my favorite part, the modules, guys. You're going to love these modules because they're so easy to go through, all right? When I say easy to go through, they are. We're going to start off with getting to know you. Miss Barrett is not going to get to see you in person, so I have to get to know you online. Your first thing you're going to do in the module is a little Padlet. It says, introduce yourself using colorful language. So you're going to come down here, hit the play button, and you're going to type something. And that's going to be an awesome job right there. Bam, you typed it, and it's going to post. Now that Miss Barrett's get to know you, you're just going to hit the next button. Now, this is one of my favorite pages. It's called the additional information tutorial, okay? Like, what is here, Miss Barrett? Well, it's how to use Canvas, okay? Several videos that'll get you comfortable with Canvas. Several YouTube videos that'll get you comfortable with using Flipgrid, okay? Because what you're going to do with Flipgrid is you're going to take 2 Flipgrid videos, your Flipgrid, and combine together to make one, all right? Just like you do when you do TikTok videos. And then there's some extra handouts in case, hey, Miss Barrett, I'm still kind of confused about figurative language. Just pull up this little document right here. So, oh, okay, it has some examples, all right? And once you hit that, you just actually hit next, okay? Each module comes with at a glance, all right? So it's Sunday night. I don't really want to start my work, but I kind of want to know what Miss Barrett is talking about this week. So I'm going to come to at a glance. I'm going to look for Miss Barrett's little pictures because sometimes she has funny pictures there. Not this one. And she's going to have some objectives. So I'm going to look for those keywords out. Something about describing, recalling, composing, and analyzing. Okay, so those are some heavy hitter words, all with figurative language. Gotta watch some videos, read some stuff. Okay, I don't have to do anything right here because this is just the overview. My next slide is actually going to pinpoint me to where I need to be. Personification. Okay, so she says watch these videos, keywords. What's the definition? Watch the videos. So let's see if these links even work, Miss Barrett. There's a little ad there. Okay. Skip the ad. Bam, it worked. Got my notebook. I want to write this answer down because Ms. Barrett said it must be important. What if I told you there's a little PowerPoint she wants me to go through? Awesome. I'll go through that. Then she wants me to go to the discussion post, and I'll do that. It's already built in. And then this, and then That's it. We're in module 2.